you can earn some money just by clicking on ads today, because as you can see, a lot of these people have already earned money just by doing this exact method, and you're going to be able to start making money just like this. All you have to do is click on an ad and you're going to earn money. It's that simple. You're just going to wait for a few minutes and your money will be coming into your account like wildfire. I know you guys just want to know what it is, so make sure that you click on.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out.
So we're going to start with a website called aticlicks.net, and this is the website that's going to let you earn money at home by doing simple jobs, surveys, among other tasks. Now, this website allows other advisors to reach thousands of potential customers by displaying their advertisements on the website. So, for those who don't know about this website, it lets you earn money at home by doing simple jobs, surveys, and other tasks. Now that you've arrived at their homepage, you're going to be able to see some of the ways you can make money on this website. There are a ton of surveys, contests, PTP referrals, and task bonuses. There's a lot of ways to make money on this website, but in today's video, we are going to be focusing on visiting websites and clicking on ads because it's the simplest way to make money and it does pay the most money. You're going to see the available payout options over here, and I'm going to be showing you some payment proof later on from all around the world, people from all around the world who have already earned money from this website. Now, you're not going to have to worry because I am going to be walking you every single step of the way, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you're going to be able to do this entire method correctly and earn a lot of money from it as well. Okay, now we're going to go into the page where they're going to show us some of the payment proof so that we can see how much money people are making from this website. Now, right here, you're going to see some of the highest paid people, and just below that, you're going to see the usernames of the people who have already been paid. If you scroll down, you're going to see even more people who have already paid out with this website, which is obviously a great thing. And like I mentioned at the very beginning of today's video, that some of these people here earn money by clicking ads, basically. Others, complete surveys, enter contests, complete offers, but as I've mentioned at the very beginning, we are going to be earning money just by clicking ads because that is the simplest way to earn money. It's the simplest form. And to start earning money from the website, you're obviously going to have to create an account. Now, don't worry, the sign-up process is 100% free, and I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a free account so that you can start earning some money. Now, when you go into the website's homepage, you're going to notice a white button that basically says register on it, and I want you guys to click on that, and then you're going to be brought to this page, which is going to be the application or the registration page, and I'd like you to click on that, and you're then going to be brought to the registration page. And the next step is super simple because all you have to do is fill out all the required information on these boxes right here.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
As always, don't forget to check the box that says I'm not a robot, and then check this box as well to agree to their terms of service. And to finish the sign-up process, you're just going to have to click on this blue button right here, and now you have an account on this website, a completely brand new account. The earning potential on this website is actually huge, so you're gonna have to do it right, okay? And right away, immediately. That's why you have to watch the video until the very end so you're gonna be able to understand it correctly. And also, you don't miss any of the important things that I am gonna be throwing in to make you earn even faster. So now that you've created an account and you're logged in, the first thing you're actually going to notice is the leaderboard, where you're going to see all the people who have been paid out the most money, and you're going to see who's been paid out the most money and all of that, right? So if you follow all of the instructions in today's video, you're gonna be included on the scoreboard soon enough. You're gonna see some of the available advertising on this page that you can click and make money from. You're gonna see a ton of different ads on your account because these ads actually change every single day, and all of these ads will pay you money. It is all equivalent to money when you click on them, and you don't even need to do anything after clicking them. If you do this, you're just going to click on numerous adverts from them, and then you're going to be able to earn a lot of money without breaking a sweat. All you have to do is wait for 20 to 30 seconds. It depends on how long they want you to stay, but it's never more than 40 seconds, and the moment you finish the assignment, you're going to get paid. I'm going to be showing you an exclusive bonus tip that I always use to make a lot of money. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down below, and you're going to see these banner advertisements, and this is one banner ad, and then this is another, and when you click on any of them, you're going to be able to make a lot of money if you click on any of them. Now, before continuing on, if you guys are having fun with today's video, I want you to like this video, subscribe, and let me know if you guys are loving this video so far, or if there's anything at all that you want to maybe change, anything at all that you want to watch in the next set of videos, so that we can take note of them. And obviously you can enjoy watching those videos, so make sure that you do that, and let's finish up. Like I said, when you click on any of the banner ads, you're going to be able to make a lot of money if you click on any of them. The highest paying banner ads are the ones that pay the most, because different companies pay a lot of money for banner ads, so ATI clicks will pay you a lot of money for clicking on them as well. So let's try to click on one banner ad, and then it's going to take me to this page, which is one of their advertisers, and once there, you don't need to click on anything. If I click on another banner ad, it's going to take me to this page again, just like before. And you're not going to have to do anything except for scroll up and down and wait for 20 to 30 seconds before closing the ad. So that's basically how you make some money on this website. And if you do this daily and clicked on their daily fixed ads, you're going to be able to make a lot of money. And after you've finished with the daily fixed advertising, you can go on over and move on to the banner ads. Keep doing it until you've made so much money that you don't need to work anymore. And that is pretty much everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.